A development at Microsoft annual meeting. The tech giant has urged shareholders to reject the proposal advocating Bitcoin as a hedge fund against inflation. The proposal, backed by National Center for Public Policy Research, suggests Bitcoin could protect the company against economic instability. However, Microsoft board remained firm, citing Bitcoin's volatility and effectiveness of the current Treasury process. The decision now lies with shareholders, with influential voices like Vanguard and BlackRock expected to be weighed in. The vote, scheduled for December 10th, could set a precedent in tech industry approach to cryptocurrency. Development. The US Department of Justice is investigating Tether, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, for possible link to terror financing and illegal activities. This probe follows concerns that Tether may have been misused by sanctioned entities, potentially violating US financial regulations. The Treasury Department also considering sanctions if these allegations hold. Tether CEO, however, has dismissed these claims as speculative and baseless. This isn't Tether's first run with the regulators. It has previously faced scrutiny over both Commodity Futures Trading Commission and lawmakers. We will continue to monitor this story closely. In historical steps toward a cleaner future, Google and Collier's power has come together to refine how we think about energy. Today they have announced groundbreaking agreement to bring 500 megawatt of carbon-free nuclear energy online by 2035. This partnership marked the first time corporation has invested in power from small modular reactors, a move that could ambitious and deeply necessary. For Google, it is another stride in their mission toward the clean energy for communities. It means potential new jobs and opportunities. The deal could very well change the way we power our lives for generations to come. Is embracing a digital future, focusing on digital assets and central bank digital currency to fuel the financial innovation. Just this week, the city granted third cryptocurrency license, with 11 more applications in the pipeline. However, there are brewing debates. Some lawmakers argue the licensing process is too restrictive, potentially stifling the very growth of Hong Kong aims to achieve. Despite these concerns, Hong Kong's commitment to become leader in the digital finance world remains strong, as balance innovation with regulations. For Hong Kong, digital transformation journey is only beginning. Q3 earning report has disappointed investors, with share dropping 11% after a 27 million revenue miss due to unforeseen incentive expenses. Despite solid growth in trading activities, up 75% in equities and remarkable 112% in crypto company, fell short of Wall Street earning expectations. To report 18 cents per share, Robinhood posted only 17 cents. This quarter miss has left investors question the company growth trajectory, even as more users turn onto the platform. Robinhood's next step will be closely watched to see if they can regain investors' confidence. The job openings in September. This provides insight into the labor market dynamics, including job opening, hires, and separations. So what we can see is actual number is lower than the forecasted as well as the last reported number. A decrease in job opening can signal a slowdown in economic activities as employees may hesitate to expand their workforce. Look at the ADP non-farm employment change October. The stronger than expected job growth suggests a robust labor market, which can influence Federal Reserve policy decisions, particularly regarding interest rate. Actually, this marked biggest gain in 15 months. First jobless claims dropped by 26,000, the lowest since May, strengthening the labor market and positively influencing the investors' confidence. Jobless claims decrease suggests fewer layoffs and stronger job market, as it suggests economic stability. Payroll October. The weaker job growth since December 2020. This weak job growth increased expectation for potential 25 basis points rate cut by Federal Reserve in its upcoming meeting. Look at the unemployment rate October. In October, job growth slowed due to disruption from hurricane and aerospace work strikes, but the unemployment rate stayed steady at 4.1. No change. The GDP numbers. The US economy expanded by 2.8% in Q3 2024, slightly below 3% in Q2. This growth was primarily driven by high consumer spending, which increased by 3.7%, and strong exports. However, import also rose significantly, which negatively impacted the net contribution of trade to GDP. What are the key economic indicators due in next week? We can see there are few PMI indicators supposed to be released, as well as 10-year note auction and some jobless claim reports. Most importantly, Fed interest rate decision due on 7th November. The key earning releases in next week. Investors are keen to see how Berkshire substantial cash reserve, which reached a record of $277 billion in second quarter, have been utilized, especially in light of recent market volatility. Palantir Q3 earnings will provide insight into its performance in the rapid evolving AI and data analytics sectors. Analysis has already raised price target due to strong demand of AI solutions. The Fidelity. In the last reported quarter, FIS exceed earnings expectation with EPS of 1.36, surpassing the anticipated 1.23. This Q3, company has faced challenges integrating recent acquisitions, which may affect operational efficiency and profitability. As a leading animal health company, Soti's earnings will shed light on trend in its veterinary pharmaceutical market and the impact of recent product launches. Walt Disney. Analysts will evaluate Disney streaming subscriber growth, theme park attendance, and box office performance, especially following the recent content releases. Focus will be on its chipset sales, especially in 5G devices and licensing revenue. It indicates its position in the evolving mobile technology market. Third quarter revenue are likely to have increase year over year, driven by solid growth in revenue per available room from rising global leisure and the business travel demand. Earnings will highlight Duke's progress in renewable energy investments and regulatory developments affecting its utility operations.